Welcome to the Metrix Name Service tutorial series. In this instruction video, we will claim a name using the Metrix Name Service. MNS MRC721 tokens are given as proof of ownership of MRX MNS names. Once token ownership is transferred, the name can be reclaimed by the MNS token holder. To claim a name, the previous owner should have transferred the name to you. If this is not the case, you can watch our instruction video on how to transfer a name for more information. To start off, navigate to the MNS app by clicking on App on the top right corner. Make sure that your wallet is connected to the MNS. Then search for the name you wish to transfer. Now navigate to the Claim tab. Now fill in your address and click on Claim Name. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. You now successfully claimed your name. Thanks for watching. Still left with any questions? Please check our other videos.